guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today's video, we are going to be sharing our Dollar Tree haul. Now most everything is from the fall section, and then we also have some things from the Halloween section at Dollar Tree. So in just a few minutes, we're going to show you everything that we got yesterday at Dollar Tree. This is my favorite find from yesterday, this cotton picks. They are so pretty. So if you can, pick up some cotton picks. And then they have lots of pretty colors new for fall in their floral section. So I picked up just a variety of colors, sizes, and shapes. I thought these were really pretty, these hydrangeas. And lots of them, they have like 2 or 3 colors of these. And then, aren't these cute? And they had a few colors of these. Some of them were brighter red. And I thought these were cute. I've never seen these before too. So just try to find some with different heights and textures. And then I also found these hydrangeas too. Aren't those pretty? So just lots of floral picks. Next up, we found some pretty signs. This one says, "Friends gather here," and they had one that said, "Pumpkin spice and everything nice." And then we also picked up this little welcome sign, cute little scarecrow. And here's a couple more scarecrow picks. I thought these were really sweet. And then here's a larger scarecrow. And I believe they had 3 or 4 different colors of the scarecrow, but I just went with the hunter green. And then here's some decorative picks. These are tiny little glitter pumpkins, so I thought they would be real pretty in a floral bouquet or maybe a wreath. So I picked up 2 packages of them, and they come in a 10-piece package. And then I have never seen this before, but I know that, a lot of people use this for vases, but I thought it would be really pretty to hot glue some of these little glitter balls onto some wreaths. So I picked up a couple packages of these, and they did have one more package, and it had the orange and kind of the sage green glitter balls in it. So I got 2 packages. Now I also picked up this, I thought maybe, I don't know, it says pruning shears, but I thought maybe this would work to trim the little stems on the pumpkin picks. So I picked up one of these. So let me know if you've ever tried to use this on your floral picks or not. Okay, just a second, and we'll pull out some more things. I almost forgot to show you these cute little truck signs that I picked up yesterday at Dollar Tree. Got the little blue truck and the red truck, and they say Happy Harvest. And so I've already had a request to do a wreath using one of these trucks, so look for that coming up soon. Okay, also I found these cute little acorn decoration, so I thought those would be cute maybe on a wreath or something. And it's a 12 count. And then my daughter found this cute little pumpkin. It's burlap, and they also had it in the gold color burlap. They may have more colors, but that's all that my store had out. So very cute and lightweight. You might could glue this on a wreath also. And then we picked up some of the burlap ribbon. And also they had the fall colored deco mesh in. Okay, next up is Halloween. And I found these cute witch legs yesterday. And they also have them in purple and also orange. And so those are really cute. My daughter and I did a wreath last year using these, and we just took cotton balls and stuffed the little stockings. So they have them in 3 colors. And then I picked up this cute, or I don't know if he's cute or not, but neat looking bat. So I thought I might could use him on a wreath or maybe a centerpiece. But anyways, he's a little bit heavier. He's made out of rubber. And then I picked up a package of spiders, and I thought they were pretty cool with the glitter on them, so they'll look neat on a wreath too. And then we picked up some ribbon, and they had this in, I believe, 3 colors, purple, black, and orange. And then I picked up some more of the 2.5-inch ribbon. I only bought this color, but they had 4 or 5 different colors. They had some that had polka dots, some that had chevron, they had some with spiders, and some with pumpkins. So they had lots of different choices, but I went with this because it's kind of a burlap texture, so I thought it might make a pretty bow. And then last is the Halloween Deco Mesh. So if you can, go to Dollar Tree as soon as you can, guys, because they're putting out their fall. They put out fall, they told me last week, and then they've just started this week putting out Halloween. So when you get a chance, stop by Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.